In today's video, let's keep exploring ICOOL Mini Condensate Pump. The most notable features of this mini split condensate pump are compact design and convenient for use. It is also energy saving, with fast flow rate and low noise. The overflow alarm and auto cutoff functions of the condensate pump ensure the safe and effective operation of your appliance. Very suitable for home usage, easy to manage in narrow spaces. It's designed for HVAC equipment up to 13.8 kilowatts, 45,000 BTU per hour, such as residential air conditioner, dehumidifier, or ceiling-mounted units. Now, we are going to demonstrate how the condensate pump functions through the simulated operation. Once the pump is power on, it awaits condensate water. The signal light is breathing or flashing green light. When the condensate water flows into the reservoir, the pump starts to work, with signal light is green. When water level reaches certain level, the pump will work to pump the water out. Once the condenser is nearly drained, the pump will automatically stop. This cycle will go on repeat as needed. Make sure the water inflow does not exceed the maximum flow rate of the pump. If the water flow is too fast, over 32 liters per hour, the signal light will turn red and activate the alarm, then cut off the air conditioner. Remember to regular check and clean the reservoir to ensure better performance and prolong the lifespan of the pump. Thanks for your watching. Keep following ICOOL Official for more quality HVAC products.